YouTube, we're back. Another product review. Today, we're going to be checking out the TURBRO Greenland Humidifier. Yeah, we're going to open that up. Today, we're going to actually open it up with a Finch Knife Company Buffalo Tooth. It's a nice knife. Like that. And we are revealing another box. The magic continues. It's like a nesting egg. Pretty nice outer box, but we have one more to go through. Let's do it. Yeah. Okay, here we go. And we have some humidifier action. Let's go ahead and get this pulled out, laid out for you, see what we're looking at. All right, pretty much right out of the box, and that's how it's looking. Looks like it already has wheels attached, which is cool. Let's see what happens when we unpackage this. I feel like there's gonna be a manual somewhere. Okay, we figured it out. So you have to go ahead and pull up right there from the handles. Yonder. And there's the stuff. Let's find out what's in it. And some parts kind of wrapped up. And parts unwrapped. Then we have like a user manual and remote. All right, people. So we are now going to attempt to fill the humidifier here. All right, after filling, we're just gonna go ahead and simply put the top back on. Yeah, great job, assistant. Here we are taking a look at the back. Little information, if you will. Have a nice handy dandy little wrap here for the cord. I like it. So up top here, we have this opening, which is where we're gonna have the goodness come out. And then we're gonna have the opportunity to direct it in a multitude of different ways using the assorted wands and tube-like structures provided to give us some nozzles and some awesomeness. For our purposes, for right now, for the first go, we're gonna go ahead and use this piece that we just simply, well, I can't do it now that I'm filming, but yeah, just put it right in there like that. Pretty easy. Okay, so we are all plugged in now, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try it out together. We're gonna use the remote. Now with the remote, there's like a little thing down here, a little plastic thing, pull it out. All right, we're gonna push the power button, see what happens. Ooh. Ooh, it's got that glow. Look at that. Oh, it's turning colors. What the what? Look at this thing. Wow. That's fun. Right now, what's going on is we're drawing water up from the tank up into the atomizer. So that's a process that takes roughly about 2.5 minutes. And then it's game time. Digging these lights. This is really, really cool on both sides. Fun, fun, fun. Yeah. It's begun. It's happening. Oh, look at this. This is awesome. Oh, oh, welcome humidity. Yes. Okay, so the humidity, which we actually have that humidity button right there, and then you have the buttons right up on the front as well. So humidity can be set between 45 and 95, going in 5-degree increments here. And then back to the beginning. Next up, we have our timer setting right here, which goes from 1 to 12 hours, and those are in 1-hour increments. Next up, we have our UV feature right here. So you can just simply turn that on right there. You do not want to open that up while the sterilization light is on. Next up, we have automatic mode. So if we go ahead and push that and hold it for 3 seconds, that's going to go ahead and start, and then that's going to adjust to the humidity in the area automatically. And the display goes down by 50%, as you saw. And in the automatic mode, here are your humidity and spray levels, rather. Go ahead and take a look at that for yourself. Next up, we have 2 light modes. So the first mode right here, this is just going to be to adjust your different settings for your side ambient lights. Your second one right here is going to be for your level light. We're just going to light that up. I mean, that's pretty cool. So I'll let you see your level of water. Just to let you know, when the water gets low on this and it gets beyond the low level, it's going to make like a 5-second warning. It's going to also show up on the screen and give you an indication signaling that, hey, let's get some more water in there. And the last button here is we're going to go over the mist. I think we did everything else. Well, yeah, we did it all. Mist button. There's 3 levels. Let's go ahead and go right over it. This is level 1. Here comes 2. Definitely notice a difference. Yeah, that's really chugging out a lot more right there. Look at that. Pretty impressive for 2. Let's do 3. Oh, wow, yeah. This is jungle style. Look at this. This is awesome. Wow. This is how you defeat winter. A little more of that level 3. Look at that thing just chugging away. Goodbye, stuffiness. Okay, people, so with the humidifier here, we're going to take off this top lid and show you how you can also refill it. So you can just simply pour it right into the side here. So with the humidifier, you also get an assortment of kind of like tubings and directional wands for the steam to come out. So here's kind of an overview of those. And we'll show you each one in action. This one's kind of cool. It has like stoppers on each end, so you can kind of get more of a directional mist going. Nice little overview of the humidifier at work there. But yeah, so we have like a display that shows you the surrounding humidity and also the temperature as well. Here we have attachment 1 for our humidifier. And it does quite nice, as you can see, getting that steam out, a little flyover. Next up, we have our extension tubes and then the 4-way nozzle from the top. Let's go ahead and open this up and see if we get some steam coming out. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and concentrated. Let's go ahead and try this one over here. Oh yeah. Could just do all of them too. Just open it up full bore. Works great. Look at that. And for our last nozzle here, that just goes ahead and sits on top of the extension tubes, as you see. And here's kind of a closer look of the steam action and how that throws it out. That's pretty nice for like a big room. I think that's going to get that up there a little bit more and deliver that steam throughout. And once again, this is equipped with a UV filtration, and that is a UVC LED. All right, people, overall, I mean, this this TURBRO humidifier, this is an extreme recommend. I'm sleeping better. I'm feeling better. I don't feel as irritable, agitated. Feel like I've got the moisture in my passages. I feel like I wake up and I'm not having like that dryness. I mean, how could you? Look at this. And the 5-gallon capacity on this thing, 5.2 to be precise, because it's like 20 liters, right? Man, it's really helpful. It's helpful to keep it loaded up so we can keep blasting this humidity throughout the house. Fight off winter. This is how you want to do it. Make sure to check down below for the link. Check out more specs, the price. Pick up your own. This is a definite would recommend. Thanks for watching, people. We really honestly appreciate it. And until we see you again, keep your nose clean. This will definitely help out with that.